G'day guys, today we're going to be building this Cubby tyre nursery. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. Now I've just popped our tyres in the ground here with the posts just to make sure that they all line up nice and evenly. You don't have to make any adjustments this time. Often you might have to do some slight adjustments to your holes to make sure that everything fits. Same on the other side, we've got another one that we're going to bolt together. Then on this centre row, we've got a slightly smaller pipe. We're going to do the same thing, we're going to connect that one together. We've got these posts ready, getting a bit of old rebar, and we're just going to attach this, just weld it on. That's going to act as an anchor of sorts. We cement these posts in place to make it much stronger while it's holding it in place. We've drilled our 2 holes going through each side, so now we're making sure that the initial lines that we'd marked are lining up with the tyres. We're using these really long bolts here. This is about 6 inch, because that's got to go through this 4 inch pipe and into the car tyre here. We've got our posts all in the ground, attached to the tyres, and our cement's now ready. Put some little bricks in to act as stoppers so the cement doesn't just run everywhere, and then also holding on to those tyres as well, so it'll hold the whole thing really nice and secure. Now we're just tightening up all of these bolts. We can put them in finger tight to start with and then tighten them all up. We're doing 2 bolts at each connection here and raising this platform a little bit off of the ground so you get a nice bounce going on there. And we're going to fill up the rest of the tyres, leaving a space, 2 spaces for an opening and for an exit. All of these pieces will be made so much easier if you've got one of these free downloadable instructions from the Playground Ideas website. Check them out, super simple to follow and makes your life a lot easier. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.